Hi everyone, it's Tanya with KB Riley, otherwise known as Karen Berniston Pop-Up Dies, here with the August Tanya's Take Kit. For August, we will be using die number 1291, the postage pop-up, and look at this gorgeous card you will be making with this kit. The Tanya's Take Kit will have everything you need to make that card, all of the papers, and of course the die. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Tanya's Take kits, I choose a die every month and we will make the card directly off the cover of the die itself. Then during the class, I will show you how to make that card, but I will do one that has my spin on it. So you guys will make this gorgeous card and I will make one that has my take. You can get your kit at karenberniston.com and they usually sell out, so grab it quick. And make sure that you join us for the August 16th Oak event. I will be giving away one, maybe two of these dies to a couple lucky people that comment during my presentation. So hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a great day.